Hello crafters! This is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and I am here with a small Spellbinders haul. Some of my Spellbinders orders came in. I placed 2 orders during the sale, which is still on right now. There is now a Cyber Monday sale. I will provide a link for that sale so you can take a look if there's any last minute items you want to get. So in this video, I'm going to cover what I recently hauled and also pick another winner for the Build-A-Wreath Giveaway. Unfortunately, Daria did not respond. I gave her until Cyber Monday. I actually extended it all the way up until Tuesday night. Still have not seen a response. So today is now Wednesday. I'm going to pick an alternate winner. This is for the same package that you saw with all the goodies, the sampler cardstock, the Build-A-Wreath die set from my collection, Beautiful Wreaths. There's also some gems, a pair of socks, all little kinds of goodies. I'll link that first video here. So now let's go into picking that winner. Now I'm going to also pick the alternates. Congratulations, Gretina Gillern. The same thing will apply. Please email me at acraftersmuse@aol.com. Send me your preferred name that you want on the envelope, your full mailing address. And I'm giving you until Saturday, this coming Saturday, to respond. Saturday night, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. After that, then I'll go into the next alternate. Yuzel, I already sent hers. So this one, she wants to come home. Come on, Gretina, this is your chance. Congrats. Okay, crafters, now let's get into my haul. First up, crafters, I did a recent video about this Spellbinders Better Press freebie, which is this 4-petal sunflower frame press plate. There is still one more day left if you want to get the freebie, and how you would get this is you have to purchase the Better Press letterpress system, not a bundle, not a gift set, just the letterpress system. And you also have to add this item to your cart. If you already have a Better Press and you want this, I will also put a link for just buying this by itself. It is valued at $21.99. It's a beautiful sunflower press plate. Right here, you can choose to use the sentiment or change the sentiment into anything you wish. So this is nice that it's not a dedicated sentiment. Also, I showed you guys in that video that I had done some solid stamping. This is with a solid wax seal stamp. And I said to you I had used some gilding flakes. Well, my order came in. This is the one from Spellbinders. It's called Silver Dream. Let me gently open it. Okay, now it's making a mess. While the wax is hot, you just put this on there and then press it down with the stamp. Okay? Oh, this one has a little bit of iridescence, some gold. Spellbinders does carry 2 styles. This silver one and a gold one. I had a gold one before, so I decided to get this silver one. Ooh, look at all of that. It's like confetti. Let me clean it up. Weren't these sales like so fabulous? I mean, there were so many of them. But I'm still glad that Spellbinders is doing the Cyber Monday. I just wanted to show you that I got my gilding flakes in this beautiful silver with a lot of bits in there. So it should be very pretty. So these wax seal stamps, still on sale. Wax seal beads, still on sale. Yay! Speaking of Better Press, I also received my extra Better Press platen and magnetic chase. These two had a great price point during the sale. So this in particular is very important because you use this as an alignment guide. But I have a feeling that the archival ink over time, this might clean up some of this. This is what you use to clean the Better Press plates and the magnetic chase. Archival ink cleaner, and Spellbinders normally has it in stock because it sells out very, very quickly. And I also got cotton card panels. There is the full size cotton card panel, which is 8.5 by 11, but I like the convenience of the A2 and the 5 by 7. I usually get them in this porcelain. Up next, Spellbinders Throwback Collection. I showed you that I had recently hauled this. This is dotted tags. So the throwback is older sets that Spellbinders has brought back for a limited time. I like this because of the dotted detail with these wonderful tags. Let me give you a quick measurement on it if it's the first time you're seeing it. 3 by 2. That's the biggest tag. But there was also this, scored and pierced rectangles. Now this sold out at Spellbinders. I'm going to double check if it's back in stock, but I purchased this actually at scrapbook.com. I just like the detail. This is not an A2 size though, that largest one. I'll tell you what it is. 3 7/8 of an inch wide, so under 4 by 5 1/16 actually, so a little bit over 5 inches. So this will be like a matting layer. So your A2 would be out here. But I do like the dot detail. Now let's have a comparison sidebar, because you might be looking at this going, but I already have that. Postage edge rectangles. This whole postage edge collection, I believe, is still on sale. I'll let you know here on the screen. The largest of the postage edge rectangles with the dot detail, that's your A2 size. This is not A2, okay? So think of this maybe as like an addition to it. You could use postage edge rectangles here, then have that second layer coming in. See the difference? In here, I'm also seeing that embossed detail, which is nice. Really, really nice. So this is an embossed edge. So you could then build layers and frames with it, because in the postage edge rectangles, this is your A2, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inch. This goes out wider, 4 3/4 of an inch by 6. Okay. So you could definitely play with this as well. This and this would make a nice thicker frame if you wanted, then use this. My thinking is I'm going to play with these two together because of the dot detail. These dots though are smaller than this, but that might actually be an interesting look on your cards. But I think these two can go very well back and forth. And then for these inner layers, I could then use these. Okay? More play. So this, I will put a link for it. Like I said, I don't think it's back in stock at Spellbinders, but I just wanted to show you that comparison. They can work together, but this is not an A2. Okay, but I think it's great. Let me give you that name again. Scored and pierced rectangles. So the scoring is this part, this with the embossed detail. So this is really nice, and it can also work with this. Lastly, this was something I saw Yana Smakula had a recent haul video. And I was just sitting there watching, and all of a sudden, she pulled this out, and I was like, oh, yes. This is the glitter cardstock. So this is a newer item at Spellbinders. Unlike the pop-up glitter foam, it looks glitter like this, but it is really foam, which is great for cutting out sentiments and such. This is now cardstock. And I picked out 2 colors. This is champagne, and this is silver. There is also gold. That is currently in my cart, waiting on a future order. Isn't this nice? And this is non-shedding glitter. But I like that it's non-shedding glitter, but it's not muted, because I still like pop and shine. Oh, look, this works well together. So these can probably work with some of the standalone wax seal dies. A lot of those were on sale too. But this is very nice, and I like the thickness of the paper. And it die cuts easily without shedding. So that means that you can use this for sentiments too. So I bought 1 pack of this and 1 pack of that. All right, crafters, I think that's it. I just wanted to show you that I got some little better press items. I love getting supplies, and I did get cardstock, but do you need to see cardstock from me? I show you all the time. Plus, I did a whole thing of cardstock in here. So my winner, Gretina, you need to email me so I can mail this out to you ASAP, so you can get to play with the Build-A-Wreath die set. All right, crafters, for everything else, I will detail and list it below. Don't forget that you still have 1 more day for the 4-petal sunflower. If you do own a better press, then you might just want to get that better press plate, because she is a beauty, and she works well with wax seal and some of that Vivant trim. Love. Alrighty, crafters, until the next video, stay crafty, my friends. Bye.